Hi everyone, welcome to my favourite things. Melaleuca has over 350 products to replace centre aisle shopping. I'm here to share with you some of my favourites, although I have to say it's pretty hard to choose between them. Melaleuca makes safer, more effective, eco-friendly and affordable products that people love. Melaleuca prefers natural ingredients including citrus, thyme, melaleuca oil and essential oils, where they are safe and effective. A great thing about Melaleuca is that we never use any toxins in our products, so there's no need for child-proof caps or locks on cupboard doors. Let me take you to the laundry. Melapower laundry detergent's high on my list. Washing the clothes is a never-ending job in any household. Melapower comes either lightly scented or scent-free. Melapower is 9 times concentrated, so it's great value for money. Important to every family now more than ever. Don't make yourself carry home extra water. The laundry pump will measure the tiny amount you need. And you know you're helping the environment while saving time and money. When our children were growing up, they all played sport. Rowing, rugby, hockey and cross-country, to name just a few. Sometimes each family were asked to take home the team jerseys to wash, which ensured they were all together and nobody forgot theirs on the day. This is when you really appreciated having a great detergent such as Melapower. You needed the wash done perfectly. You certainly didn't want the nasty streaks of laundry fillers left to show as they ran on. Have you ever wondered why sometimes you get a white streak left behind on your clothes? Well, that's the fillers added to washing powders. There's no leftover scum on these jerseys to cause skin itches to take their mind off the game at the next competition. There is another problem with fillers. It seems that there are more skin irritations than ever. Have you ever wondered why? It may have something to do with all the fillers that have crept into some washing liquids, powders and detergents. Babies with their tender skin, children of all ages, and we adults don't want skin complaints caused by using fillers either, such as salt, gluten, chalk and limestone. We want to ensure that we're not breathing in or allowing next to our skin fillers from a washing detergent that top up their product with all sorts of unwanted chemicals. Melapower has naturally derived stain removers, a triple enzyme natural power. It's effective in both hot and cold washes, and it meets the safe scent standard. Melapower does remove the toughest of stains. It's supercharged with natural, powerful stain fighters that will remove tough stains including grass, mud, chocolate and blood. Melapower is very effective in cold water, another saving with your energy bill and a huge saving in CO2 emissions. 90% of the energy needed to run a load of wash goes to heating the water. Did you realise that washing in hot water wastes more electricity than leaving the fridge door open 24 hours a day for a year? You can save energy and money by reducing your temperature settings. Melaleuca's concentrated laundry formulas have been designed to work in any temperature of water. You can save up to $420 in electrical savings per year. Melapower and the full range of laundry products are on the top of my regular shopping list. Bye for now. I'll be back with more advice, tips and hints on my favourite things in my Melaleuca shop.